What are you taking it and asking Dad?
Grandpa fell down the stairs. Cut his head open.
Outside.
Just out there, right?
Yeah.
Did he smack the cement? Is that what cut his head?
Well, I don't know. He hit. He hit. I know this.
Guys, I screwed up. I screwed up bad. This is not a vlog. This is a not vlog. This is a how not to vlog. Yeah, that's right. Yeah. So typically a vlog tells a story. Sometimes it is a bunch of small stories that equal the main story, but typically a vlog tells a story. That's what it is. It has a story. So what I have here is an Ori, an unfinished story. So I had an idea for this vlog. I had a pretty good story. It just didn't turn out how I wanted it to, for more than one reason. But mostly because I just didn't film anything. I know you can't tell a vlog if you don't film anything. I know, I'm sorry, I screwed up. Well, this was my idea for this vlog, is I knew that we were DJing a gig that night, so I kind of wanted to make that the main part of the story, the climax, if you will. So I filmed bits leading up to it, like going to help my grandpa and then going to help my dad bust windows, which was really freaking loud, by the way. This video does it no justice. Now the first mistake I made is I didn't tell you what I was doing at any given moment. So it's kind of just here, there, here, there. And you don't really know what's going on. You don't really know where I'm at or what I'm doing. So that was mistake number one. I didn't even tell you that I was DJing a gig. It was just pop, there we were. We were there, we were at the show, we were dancing. It was good. Anyway, I mean, I guess I did film a little bit leading up to the dance, but definitely not enough for you guys to even understand what we were doing. We got everything set up. Now we have to wait like an hour. And I'm hungry. Also, I'm still sick. But here's our setup. That's a new light. That's a new light. That's our laser. Strobes. Big lights, siren. Big lights, siren. Basketball hoop, Zay.
I'm a jealous person.
You jealous of?
I'm a stage 5. That's what I am. I classify myself.
Now, the next mistake I made is the main part of the story, you know, the dance, the gig we were doing, the DJ gig. I didn't really film any of that either. Now, I know, why, Sky, you idiot, you didn't film any of it? Well, just wait, bear with me. I did film a little bit. I filmed a little bit of it. Why didn't I film more, you ask? Well, there was like 10 people there, and we didn't really have the turnout that we wanted. And I guess I just forgot. I was caught up in the moment of dancing and playing music for those 10 people that I forgot to pull out my U and film them 10 people. We still got paid for that gig, just for the record, so it wasn't a complete waste of time. So I thought I could just end this whole mess of a vlog by opening a box of 1,000 superworms, and they're pretty gross. Just listen to this.
Can't believe you're doing that.
Anyway, the point is I really screwed up with this vlog, with this movie. Bad. It was bad. It was bad. It's just bad. But alas, an idea came to me. How about you turn your big brown ball of shiitake mushrooms into a polished turd? So that's what I did. Ergo, the How Not to Vlog video, which you are now watching. I took this mess of a video that I had created and I turned it into something. I turned it into kind of a video, Yeah, it's a video. I'm telling you a story about how I didn't tell a story. See what I did there? I told you a story by not telling you a story. Gotta be creative when it comes to screwing up. Bob Ross once said, "We don't make mistakes, just happy little accidents." Thanks, Bob. So I've showed you and taught you how not to vlog by screwing up. Now, how about I kind of give you some tips? These are like 3 tips that I use for how to vlog, kind of little guidelines that I follow. I mean, you don't have to follow them, they're just, I follow them, kind of. Obviously not in this video, but for most of them I do. Step number 1 is come up with a story. Come up with a story that you're gonna tell and stick to that story. And then step number 2 is film everything. It is better to have more content than not enough. Make sure you film enough to tell your story with your B-roll, your main clips, everything, pictures, video, drone shots, whatever it is. Make sure you film enough. There's nothing worse than getting into post, like what I did in this video, getting into post and not having enough footage. And step number 3, which is probably the most important step, is see your project all the way through the end, no matter what. Even if you think your video sucks, get creative. See if you can turn what you did into something. Like I did with this. I used my screw up into a teaching moment, not only for myself, but for the audience, for you guys. I turned it into a video. I told a story about how not to tell a story. So you gotta be creative when it comes to these things. Make sure you finish your projects. Learn from your mistakes, but make sure you finish those projects. If you spend all this time to go out and shoot and create this video, this movie, and you're not really sure that you like it that much, I mean, yeah, you can always scrap it, or you can save your project. You can see if you can turn it into something, create it into something. Remember this, good enough and done is better than perfect and unfinished. Casey Neistat says that he would rather have 5 good enough shots than 1 perfect shot, because 5 good enough shots tell a story. 1 perfect shot does not. You make crap sometimes. It happens to everybody, and when I say everybody, I mean everybody. Even Hollywood, which they have millions of dollars in their budget, the nicest equipment out there, high-paid actors, they have everything, and even they have some bombers. It happens. So don't get discouraged, keep your head up, keep going out there, keep creating, and don't quit, don't give up, because you get better. It always gets better. You get better with filming, you get better with storytelling, you get better with editing, you get better with everything. That's just the way the game works. The more you do, the more you learn, the better you get. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I'll be sure to respond to you. If you haven't subscribed, you probably should do that, because I need at least 1,000 of you now before YouTube will pay me. Will pay anyone. Appreciate you guys watching. Thankful that you stopped by. You're always welcome. My home is your home. Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys in the next video.